Back Home, powered by Cooperative Bank.
My name is George Kikunju, the Chief Investment Officer at CoopTrust Investment Services. CoopTrust Investment Services is a subsidiary of the Cooperative Bank of Kenya, 100% owned by the bank and licensed to do investments in Kenya. So for retail investors, we have two broad products. We have the unit trust funds and the wealth management product. So unit trust funds, we have two. We have the money market fund and the bond fund. So these are pooled investments where an investor is able to invest in a basket of products at once and enjoy diversification from that. We have the wealth management product, which is very unique from one investor to the other. So this one is more of, we sit down, we understand your parameters, the return objective, we understand the risk appetite, the liquidity needs for you, tax implications, quite important for people who are in diaspora, and also any special constraints that you might have. So these will inform us on how to do asset allocation, how much to put in the stock market, how much to put in shares, how much to put in deposits, and other alternative investments, which CoopTrust is quite good at.
Yes. Now, Kenyans in the diaspora are big in investing back home. So tell us, how is CoopTrust Investment Services coming in? What products do you have for them?
Our team has a lot of experience and skilled in what we do, quite qualified. And we look at these markets daily. So for someone who is in diaspora, it might be a challenge to follow how the Kenyan markets are doing on a daily basis. It might be a challenge to know which bond is being issued, which stock is expected to do well. So for us, we'll do that for you. You bring the money, we do the research, we do everything for you, and make the investment decision. So you benefit from investing in the Kenyan capital markets without being here physically.
That is quite unique, but the question is, what are the benefits of using CoopTrust?
For us, CoopTrust is owned by a big brand and a big group, the Cooperative Bank of Kenya. We also able, and we've shown that we are able to deliver market-beating returns. Also, the Cooperative Bank of Kenya is a trusted brand. So by investing in CoopTrust Investment Services, you're investing in an umbrella which is quite trusted and a big brand.
Let's now talk about statistics, figures, and impact. How big is CoopTrust Investment Services? If
you look at the Coop Money Market Fund, which is currently more than 4 billion in Kenya shillings, the fund is currently yielding above 10.5% on an annualized basis. The bond fund is yielding 12.5%. So these are quite decent returns looking at the current economic environment. Of the 4 billion Kenya shillings that is in the money market fund, quite a big proportion. We've seen a lot of appetite coming from the diaspora investors. So the split in the money market fund is between local and foreign investors.
Now, a Kenyan might ask, yes, I am in the UK, I'm in the US, why don't I just invest here? What are the benefits of investing back home?
Kenya has been able, over the last couple of years, to be very resilient in terms of returns. So you're not just benefiting your country of origin, you're also getting returns even as you do that. So when you think about investing, think about diversification, diversifying your risk, and it's good to invest in a pooled fund, which is the unit trust.
Quite informative. And the final question is, what advice do you have to anyone in the diaspora thinking about investing back home?
So for anyone looking to invest back at home, it might look complex, it might look challenging, but we are here for you. Just get in touch with us. You can send an email and someone will get back to you. Send an email with what you want, what kind of product you want to have back at home, and someone will get to you and open an account for you and start enjoying the benefits of returns that Kenya is offering.
Cooperative Bank, we are you.